Let me show you how I made this dog food, human grade, vet approved dog food, and I made it in a crock pot. As you can see, it is highly recommended by my dog. Okay, this was really helpful for his health. He suffered from a health scare last year, so I decided to make sure that I make him his dog food. It was super easy. All you need is to put some brown rice and some soaked green bean lentils into a rice cooker. I'm gonna make sure to put the ingredients in the caption below, but I got most of my ingredients from Aldi's. I got some carrots, some 2 sweet potatoes chopped up, and 2 pounds of ground chicken. I put that all into a lined crock pot. When the crock pot is lined like this, it's easier cleanup for you. So line your crock pot and add the ground chicken and all the other ingredients in there into the crock pot. It's just so easy to just set it and forget it. Once you add all your ingredients in and you add your carrots, you make sure that you put your crock pot on. You can put it on high for 4 hours or you can put it on low for 6 to 8 hours. You just watch it yourself. It's not going to burn. It's a crock pot, right? So then I added one 16-ounce bottle of water to it just for it to have some liquid. I'm also going to give you a little tip for how you can add all the nutrients in an easy manner. I added some beef liver that I found in my freezer. And beef liver is excellent for my dog because it gives him some of those essential organ meat nutrients that your dog needs. I went ahead and blended it up in my food processor and added it to the top. I let that cook all together. I gave it a while. I think I gave it about 4 hours to cook and went ahead and covered it. And then I added more brown rice to the top. So the brown rice made about 8 cups of brown rice total. Don't use all your brown rice in one go because you're going to need some at the end. I added some green peas on top, one 12-ounce bag of green peas. Added that to the top, gave it a mix. And then something I did that was super helpful was I used my immersion blender to go ahead and blend it a little bit so it's a lot more palatable, less thick. But even after blending it, I made sure I added some more rice to it. Here is the kicker. You need to get this Native Pet Daily and Omega Oil supplements. This is going to add the necessary nutrients that you may be missing in the dog food. So you're not missing out on anything by adding this to it. You're actually adding more nutrients for your dog. So this is his daily vitamin that it's in there. You don't have to think, oh, do I need to add eggshells? No, everything's already included. So many benefits. You can find it in my card below or in the link in my bio. This is really good for dogs. So I've noticed a lot of improvement. Once his food was done, I added the rest of the brown rice and lentils to the top of it. And I just added it so it can have a little bit more texture, a little bit more texture and fiber. This will make about a month's worth of food. You can store some in the freezer and put one in the fridge as needed. As you can tell, he loved it. Thanks for watching.